Welcome to Skia TV. It's your boy Skia TV, and today we are going to cut our hair. So Kunda we challenge. Challenge is the barber of Protea Clan, and he's the legend out of all the barbers. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give flavor on that. Yes, bong. As mina ngisile type ukuthi challenge maga busy faneke ke mmele. No, I trust the business ukuthi everything will go
challenge. Challenge. Bengithi ngiyocabana nani mfana ngabe ngifike la mfana kune line mfana. Ngoba ngifike la 8:30 nobungekho. Ngifike la ngo10 mangidlula. Ngiyocabana nawe serious. Because uyazi ngithi le santini ke bavula ili. So ngicela nibheveni ngoba ngiphethe abantu basesantini. Ngicela nibheveni kahle tu. Ngathi siyafuna nje ukuphathwa nge-treatment yasesantini. Thank you for it.
For some reason bathi inywele is something hard to let go. Beke Grootman lam lana nga esayidini lami likhenyekile nje ukuthi inywele zayo ziyahamba after so many months ilebele igunda but change is good, man. So at this point I'm like, should I have waited for challenge or umchiti uzoyishaya into yakhe? Hey, ngathi azini ithi ngimdedele ngingamdisturb. Ngambona saka ngishaya injeba yona injeba ishayile mfethu. Mara inkinga ile yampandla le lapha phezulu kwekhanda le engakwazi ukuvaleka le azini mashita aningenzeleni uplan man. Ngoba at this point sengicabanga ukushaya nje surgery nje eyakhona yempandla.
Ngisiwe namadoda kamela yabona i-challenge uthule kanjani namhlanje. Yeah, uwe lo. Bachelo banga forget to like and subscribe.
Ma le santini mama kushaya izinto izingekho.
Yeah.
Ubuyele ekhaya boma clinic wamampela yithi.
Oh, hayi number 1 mfowethu.
Mawubuyele ekhaya buzokhipha amanzi.
Ngilebe ngicocela amajidi story sami bathi hayi Skia relax sizokusotha nempandla yakho.
Akafuni ukungenza azi mfethu na last ngithe ngifuna ukudaya wathi ayifethu Skia sizodaya la udaya khona mina ngidaya umdala. Cabanga sibaba. Ngithe ngifuna iblue azange ngifuna iblue. Ngifuna iblue mfethu why not? Mfethu ngidla ubusha bami mfethu kanti wena kamele ngiphile manje ngoba manje ngimdala kamele ngingazenzi lezi zinto lezi. I-black naye i-black akwazi wayi-offer. Naye i-black akwazi wayi-offer naye. Uhlala ungichomela. Mina kahle mina la istory sakho ngifanele ukushaya i-treatment card ngiphume kanje. Yabona isibala kancane. Ngabe afana nalo bhuti wakho lo omunye osebenza naye. Yes, ngizokunda. Angithi uyazi ukufaka lapha ku YouTube lapha yana sijambona nangi-challenge uqalile ngeblue. It's not my problem guys, it's not my fault. It's challenge. He was trying to make my hair black but he made it blue. Yabona. Very dope yeah. What's like doing something out of the ordinary. Yabona manje ngathi ngina 16 awuthami. Yabona leto zethu sasona. Awufuni ngibe na 16 wena. Awufuni ngibe yi16 v fulafana. Bangathi Taskia mangifika emsebenzini. Bathi hello baby. Unjani baby? Yo wamuhle namhlanje baby. Simple ne. Mar mina ngifuna ukuba sexy boy. Sexy boy mabaso yabo. Uzweke manje wena mfethu ubani khona ude baba wena ubani mfethu?
Ngibiza uMandoza.
uMandoza inkalakatha hayi.
The most important lesson out of this, supportani awuthami ishaya cut, supportani challenge the barber from Protea Clan. Give flavor that.